right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their 3-in-1 air duster, blower, and vacuum. Got all your info here of how to use the vacuum, how to use the air duster, and how to use the air blower. Air blower, air duster, vacuum cleaner. Nothing there, nothing at all there or there, and just some specs here on the side. So let's open this on up and see what we have in here. So we have the accessories needed for your vacuum right through here. An included USB-C type cable to charge it up, and for like your blower and stuff. Nice, nice. This is for the vacuum. It even has a nice little air filter there. Nicely done. Nice little instruction guide to tell you how to assemble and use all of this product. And then the air duster or blower. That's it for the box. And so here it is. That's what it looks like. Got a power button here on the front, USB-C type port on the bottom to charge it with an indicator light. Nice. And then yeah, it's got a nice grip back here. Really, really nice. So take this, we will put it over here, and here we go. This will be great for dusting your keyboard and stuff like that, but it would be great for cleaning your keyboard. If you used a lot of cans of compressed air, these are a lot better because you can just buy this, recharge it, and you can dust out your computers, dust out your keyboard, dust out those small devices without having to use compressed air and worry about the cold mist blowing over everything. So I really, really like these and back all of these because I think they're great and way better than compressed air. So thanks again to this company for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.